struggling with dull knives that make prep time feel endless. You're not alone. We've all been there, fighting through tough ingredients and wasting time. But what if I told you there's a solution that transforms your cooking experience? Introducing the Damascus Steel Kitchen Knife Set. With ultimate sharpness and precision cutting, these knives slice through your ingredients like butter, making meal prep smoother and faster. Whether you're chopping veggies, slicing meat, or prepping fruits, this set will change how you feel about cooking. Crafted from premium steel with a stunning Damascus pattern, this set is built to last. It's corrosion-resistant and perfect for daily use, making it a durable and reliable companion in any kitchen. Designed with ergonomic burl wood resin handles, these knives offer exceptional comfort and control. No more uncomfortable grips or slipping blades, just effortless cutting that makes your kitchen tasks enjoyable and precise, whether you're a pro or a home cook. And when you're done, you don't have to worry about storage. The custom-fitted knife sheaths keep each blade safe and sharp, while the elegant storage box organizes everything, ensuring your knives are always ready for use. Looking for the perfect gift? Whether it's for a wedding, birthday, anniversary, or holiday, this Damascus steel knife set is the ultimate culinary gift. Encased in a beautiful gift box, it's the perfect way to inspire anyone's cooking journey. Get ready to elevate your kitchen? Click the link and get your Damascus steel kitchen knife set now, before it's gone. Your cooking will never be the same. Sharp knives, sharper cooking. Let's get to slicing.